Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will teach you about numbers. Our today's numbers are 2, 1, 2, 2 balls, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now open your book, my book of numbers and shapes. Open the page number 3 and write reading and date on the top of the page. 2. We have 2 flowers. 1, 2. 2 flowers. And now start writing. How to write the 2? Put pencil on the arrow. Go round, round, round and come straight. Stop and make a straight line. Now your 2 is complete. Then turn the page. There is 3. 3. We have 3 ants. 1, 2, 3. 3 ants. Write reading and date on the top of the page. And start reading. Page number 10. 1, 2, 3. Okay बच्चों. Now open your book, my activity book of numbers and shapes. Open page number 5. Write HW on the top of the page. H.W. Write date on left side. 7/4/20. Write day on right side. Tuesday. Start writing 2. 2. Put pencil on the arrow. Go round, round, come down. Stop and make a straight line. बच्चों आपने इसी तरह सारे 2 राइट करने हैं. Start writing 2. 2. Make oral practice. 2. 2. 2. 2. And there is 2 fish. And start coloring in fish. You must have to boundary cover. You must have to cover boundary.